750.
750. So today which Ekadashi?
Bhaimi.
Bhaimi Ekadashi.
Bhaimi.
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 Him is Bhaimi.
Bhim Ekadashi.
Him Ekadashi.
Oh. Bhim ou Bhaimi. Bhima vira Bhaimi.
One is called Pandava Nirjala Ekadashi in June.
Yeah.
Now is called Bhaima Ekadashi. The name is coming from Bhim. Bhaima Ekadashi. Right? India, many people, they not observe all Ekadashi. But they observe some special Ekadashi. That is called Bari Ekadashi.
Bari छोटे क्या?
Just doing this. Ekadashi is Ekadashi. Ekadashi, there are no
Big or small.
big or small. But some person also told, you cannot observe all Ekadashi. So you have to observe big Ekadashi. But Shastra not written in this. Shastra says you have to observe all Ekadashi. Anyhow, many people also observe this Ekadashi. Pandava Nirjala Ekadashi and another some big Ekadashi there too. But in our Gaudiya Sampradaya, they say you have to observe all Ekadashi.
उत्पन्न एकादशी कार्तिक वर्ष
Kartik, in the month of Kartik, which Ekadashi? Utpanna Ekadashi.
Yeah, they do it. Yeah. Like
No need for you, because if you didn't tell you, think okay, no need.
Which one I will choose? Shayana Ekadashi.
Shayana Ekadashi, Sana Ekadashi, Uttan Ekadashi, Parsha Ekadashi. They are doing this. Actually, you have to observe all Ekadashi.
This conception is coming from.
Actually, this is coming from Kormi. Because some Kormis, they don't want to observe Ekadashi. And some Kormi people also preach. And eat. If you don't need to speak to you, your mind will be
disturbed. Don't know better.
Don't know is better. But if you don't know better, first listen someone, then more disturbed you.
Yeah.
Then you will go, this is good also.
Yeah.
That conception very easy to
Accept.
accept. There is the nature. Our Shastra saying you have to observe all Ekadashi. In the day of Ekadashi, we should not eat 5 types of grains. And from 8 years to 80 years. Hola Portuguese or not? Who is listening? 8 years to 80 years. Everybody have to observe Ekadashi Tithi. And you listen or not? Oh, come here. This Swayan Ekadashi maybe. Swayan Ekadashi understand? Durmindo. Durmindo Ekadashi. What is this Swayan?
When Lord goes to sleep. When Lord is Yoga Nidra, his sleep.
No, the Portuguese? Durmindo Ekadashi. Like Vishnu. What did he say?
Shastra saying 8 to 80 years.
No, I told all our Shastra saying 8 years to 80 years every day, everybody have to observe Ekadashi Tithi. In the day of Ekadashi, you should not eat 5 types of grains. What are the 5 types of grains?
Rice,
Rice,
barley,
wheat, barley,
Millet,
minutes,
millet and dal.
minutes and dal. Okay. So only the actual Shastra saying you have to observe Nirjala Ekadashi, meaning without taking drop of water. So many people say, okay, I will not drink drop of water, so I can drink milk, juice. This is not the water.
cold drink.
But no. Nirjala Ekadashi. If your health is good, then you have to observe Nirjala Ekadashi. In the day of Ekadashi, you should not eat anything. No drink or no eat. Ekadashi. In the day of Ekadashi, you have to chant holy names and listen Hari Katha. Because the Ekadashi's name is called, what is his name? Harivasar Tithi. What is it called? Harivasar Tithi. He made very nice grantha. You bring or not? Today in temple gave everybody have to take. Now everybody have or not?
Todo mundo já tem o livro do Ekadasi?
You have Ekadashi Tithi grantha? Okay, give to him. You have no? Read. One is enough. Ekadashi books, they are very important. Okay, later. This is very important. Because in the day of Ekadashi, actual Nirjala Ekadashi ne. Your health is good, you observe Nirjala Ekadashi. Or if your health is not good, Shastra saying, you can take some fruits, yogurt, milk, Ekadashi Prasad. Concession giving for the and sick people. Those are now all Kali Yuga, all we are sick. Understand this? Anyhow, no problem also. But you get benefit, complete benefit if you observe Nirjala Ekadashi. But Ekadashi Tithi name is called, what do you say? Harivasar Tithi. Harivasar. Harivasar means? Harivasaram. You hear today Sri Hari resides in your heart. So in this day of Ekadashi, you glorify to Lord. Hari Nivasa Sthalam. Hari Lord resides in your heart. Harivasar Tithi. We are saying this. Sri Hari Vasare Hari Kirtana Vidhana Nittaram Bila Prabhu Jagati Rokana. Very nice, beautiful this song you sang. So Ekadashi Tithi is very important. But even when health is not good, you feel not good. So you can take some fruits. Because our Bhakti Marga is not by force. Not Hatha Yoga. Hatha Yoga, understand? What do you mean Hatha Yoga? What do you mean the Hatha? Hatha means you are by force, stubborn. What means is stubborn. Rajhat, Balhat. Rajhat, understand? You don't know? The stubborn of the king, Rajhat. Balhat, the stubborn of the baby. If you stop the baby, don't talk. Then baby also speaking more sound. Balhat. Or another hurt? Stree hurt. Stri hot, understand? The stubborn of the ladies. Stubborn of ladies, what they are thinking, have to do. Stri hot. Huh? This is true or wrong? Oh, come. But in our Vaishnava Sampradaya, no, hot. Hot means not by force, stop. Hot means by force. Hata yug, that means by force they to control their senses. For what benefit will come? If you by force to control your senses, then again also give problem. And so our Shastra saying should not by force to do, spontaneous. This way. Many people they control their senses. Well, no need to eat.
Translation simultaneous or?
Which translation? I all.
We start simultaneous translation.
Which translation? Translator who is no. Translate. You have a baby hot, no?
Thank you.
So, what do you say? Hatha yoga. And by force is there. If you do by force, and then one day it will be, what is it called? Tud jayenge, break. You slowly do this everything. Give an example. If you try to bend the one big bamboo, long bamboo, maybe how many meters? 10 meters. 10 meters bamboo, if you to bend, then one day you to try to bend, it will be break. So how to bend it? Slowly. And when the bamboo is new, green, and after that the bamboo become old, and if you try to bend, it will be what? Break. So Hindi word saying, kachai na nuale baas pakkai kare tas. What do you say? Pala Portuguese, na pala Hindi. Kachai na, that's the Bengali word, kachai na nuale baas pakkai kare tas. What is the meaning? I told.
Yeah, if you try to bend a new bamboo, you can, but you try to bend an old bamboo, it will break.
Very simple. So, green bamboo, you can slowly bend. It is easy. Our same bamboo is dry, it will be what? Break. Hatha yoga means this way, they are doing by force. I will not eat, I will not sleep. Or they are doing many kinds of their austerities, tapasya. Shastra saying no. Kali Yuga, tapasya is what? Ekadashi Tithi. Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad in Madhurya Kadambini Grantha also explain this way. And in Kali Yuga, our tapasya is what? Ekadashi. This is tapasya not? So much austerity. One day we are not eat.
Right.
You feel weakness or not? Weakness, oh daily. So saying this, Ekadashi Palan. This is also what is it called? Austerities. Nishi Jagaran. Nishi Jagaran means in the Ekadashi, you should not sleep. night time. So you can sleep daytime. Afternoon. Eh? Whole day and night. Everything you should do according of your and health. This is good. Eh? This is very important also. So that means you think, oh, I will not do anything. You cannot say this. Eh? You should do apart from bhajan and sadhana. So Harivasar Tithi. Eh? Or another name is called Harivasar Tithi or Upavas. Upavas Tithi. Eh? Ekadasi Upavas. What do you mean Upavas?
Close to Lord.
Upavas Samipe Vasa Upavas. You are right. Eh? You have to just very close to Lord. I will be very close to Lord. Chanting holy names. Eh? You are chanting holy names. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Ekadashi Tithi, chant holy names. And when you are very young, 20 years old, 20 years, when I came Mathura, and Gurudev sent to us to Giriraj Govardhan Parikrama. After Mangalarti, or we are going to Giriraj Govardhan Parikrama. Doing Parikrama, how many hours? About 4 hours, 5 hours, whole Parikrama.
4 hours all over done.
Yeah, why not? We are doing this year many kirtan, many places are staying, so take time. Or if you go one or two devotees just walking and chanting holy names, no talking, nothing, chanting holy names. 5 hours, not more than 5 hours, I think so. 3 hours, big one, or another 2 hours. 5 hours, not more than this. Very easy to this. So we are going 6 o'clock, then 11 o'clock finish, then coming back 12 o'clock. Every Ekadashi is also doing this. Giriraj Govardhan Parikrama and Nirjala Ekadashi. Gurudev also told everybody have to Nirjala. Actually, that time our in Kesavji Gurudev not so much income. And others day, less money you spend. But on the day of Ekadashi, more money spent. Why? Double. You understand? So Gurudev saying, no need to do. In the day of Ekadashi, no need eat. Everybody Nirjala. So doing this. Ekadashi. That time nowadays completely different. Nowadays Ekadashi big festival. Big feast. No fast actually. Feast. Fast to feast. So this tradition is going on this way. Because they are devotee, new devotee are looking, oh, a nice prasad. Why will I fast? Maybe by force is saying, then when midday, very nice prasadam coming.
Very difficult. Very hard.
Or you have paneer sabji, aloo paneer sabji, you understand? Ekadashi, which sabji coming? Aloo mane potato and paneer. Lassi. Okay. And also what is called?
Tuata.
Pakoda. Which pakoda? Buckwheat pakoda. And also
delicious.
nuts.
No chili, like
No.
cashew nuts.
Huh? Yes. Actual, this is coming from when the Western devotees are coming, that is started. Because Western devotees, they told, oh, not possible to for us. So Gurudev told, okay. Now Pramananda Guru is doing this. Big feast is going on. And at that time also, no money, so no need. Because this is true, when the wealth coming, wealth, money coming, very difficult to austerity. Now, not only our this temple also, all the Gaudiya Math, I think so.
Yes,
I don't know, but when we are used to go, most of the Gaudiya Math, because all Gaudiya Maths now rich, not poor.
Yeah.
Because Western devotees coming, they go, I will give feast, not another day. In the which day?
That kind of stuff.
Ekadashi day. So they are doing this. Before, very strict in our temple. So now, very, very rare. Brahmachari, they are observing
Nirjala.
Nirjala. Shastra saying, in the one Nirjala Ekadashi, proper way do, and that food is very powerful. Just only one Nirjala Ekadashi. Nirjala Ekadashi means you have to proper way. Proper way means what? 24 hours you should not, you should not, in the day of the Ekadashi, should not sleep. No mundane talk. Complete and also chant 64 rounds, holy names. Read Grantha. Understand this? And Nishi Jagaran. Nishi Jagaran means
Whole night. No sleep.
whole night, don't sleep. Who did one Nirjala Ekadashi? You did? Did not talk anything? Mundane talk?
No, that time I was in Nepal.
You was in Nepal.
No talking to
No one.
No internet to call also.
Well, maybe no food.
That time I was at Krishna Karani. Krishna Karani Maharaj.
No prasad. No. That's true, you are right.
No internet connection.
Huh?
No internet connection.
No internet connection also. No phone. No money also. That will buy phone.
There's no place to sleep. Then I have to
It's good.
बहुत बड़ी बात.
बहुत बड़ी बात. अरे
बड़ी बात.
बड़ी बात ना बुरी बात. Which one? बड़ी सही तो बुरी बात. बुरी माने very bad language.
That language.
Or they say go back your home.
Go back your country. Why are you saying like this? Go back your country.
He speaks English.
Yeah, but he spoke English with me. If you want something outside, then you go outside.
No, at least in your life, if you do Nirjala Ekadashi properly, you did or not? One. Not sleep day and night.
No, I see.
So
Almost proper.
no, should not sleep. Stay and not sleep.
One day it was a Kadasha New Year. So we gathered together with devotees and spent the New Year in Kadasha all night chanting together in temple. Best New Year. No, best New Year.
Yeah,
Once in Pinda,
Pinda.
3 years ago, you told no one should sleep.
Uh,
So, 2020.
yeah, one here you did, that is what? One Ekadashi also, no?
Yes, I'm in Pinda.
Kirtan.
Kirtan whole night.
Yeah. Once I was in Birmingham. Eh? You were there. That time they did. You were giving my class. I start after Mangalarti, then Kirtan, then Harikatha not stopping, non-stop.
5-6 hours. No?
Yeah.
Someone was translating.
All of Vrindavan Vihari Raj. And Ekadashi Tithi is very important. So, everybody have to observe Ekadashi Tithi. And that Ekadashi fruits, if you give to someone, and understand, he will get benefit also. Understand, this is very powerful. Even the Brahma Rakshas, understand?
Yes.
Who will become Brahma Rakshas? Those who doing many bad things. And after his death, he will become Brahma Rakshas.
Powerful ghost.
Powerful ghost. Even the gift that the fruits that the Brahma Rakshas, he also did. And sometime I told the Bhakti, what is it called? Vaikanas Maharaj. And Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj told this story. When he was a royal priest, then he was he went to one fire sacrifice, and then he got lot of donation. Many kinds of donation, yeah? Because Indian fire sacrifice means is what? Lot of donation. And blankets, everything. So he put his car, everything. So when he was coming, on the way big storm came and heavy rain storm. And night time, he cannot go. Then he's thinking what to do. Then he asked one person in the villagers, where will you stay? They said, oh, here is one house. That's called abandoned house. What's our house? Abandoned house. And 6 months nobody stay in your house, automatically ghost will come. Our Shastra say. How many months? 6 months, not 6 days. 6 months continue. If you not live in your house, then ghost that house take capture. Understand? But when we were in London, then Ganga Mata, they are in the Nityananda Trayodasi, they are coming, and I was there. That time they captured one house, that abandoned house. During Kirtan, then police came and kicked out. You are there, no? You asked to them. They kicked out. They thinking we are ghosts. Because we captured that abandoned house. We are not ghosts. Okay. Shastra also saying this. If any house continues 6 months, no one live, that house captured by ghost. And so now Vaikanas Maharaj, when he came and sleeping, night time, midnight, and then there's all the doors and all the windows and start to shaking. And first he's thinking maybe earthquake, but again and again. Then he woke up and thinking, then he saw one big figure, one bar. That at midnight. And he, who are you? And Vaikhananda Maharaj, his body is very tall body. He took one iron stick. Lohi ki sariya. Iron. Hey, who are you? Come in front of me. That's why he said, I am Brahma Rakshas. And I will kill you. But why not come in front of me? Oh, you have this iron rod, so you have to throw this. If your iron, then ghost will not come. Understand? And also Gita. If you keep Gita, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, very powerful. And you can keep always Srimad Bhagavad Gita, small Gita. Pocket Gita, ghost will not come. Your mind will be never disturbed. I tell you, he ghost, your mind disturbing you. Maybe some ghost coming. And you did not see that ghost coming. But you look this. Bhagavad Gita. Yeah, this is Bengali. Okay. This is Bengali. You can get also ISKCON from English, any language they also make. Also market everywhere. Yeah. Nice. Always I am keeping also my bag. Gita is very important. Yeah. Jatra Gita Vicharasya Pathanam Tata Mudate Sri Krishna Bhagavan Sri Radhayasha. And if you read Srimad Bhagavad Gita, then Krishna will manifest with his consort Srimati Radhika. This was Gita Mahatma saying. Jatra Gita Vicharasya Pathanam Tata Mudate Sri Krishna Bhagavan Sri Radhayasha. You understand? Very simple. So always keep Bhagavad Gita with you. So there goes Brahma. I will kill you. Why not coming in front of me? Oh, you have Bhagavad Gita. And also holding. That time he told, hey, why did you become Brahma Rakshas? That time he told, I stole someone's wealth, money, and did this, many things he told. So now I become Brahma Rakshas. And you go tell to me, how will free from your Brahma Rakshas Mukti? I will get the liberation. And from your ghost body, Brahma Rakshas body. Then he told, if anybody will give his one Ekadashi's fruit to me, then I will deliver. That time Vaikhananda Maharaj, he took some water in his hand, Gangajal. Understand? Brahman Purohit list, always keeping Gangajal. Always you keep Gangajal. You do tilak or not?
Yes.
You keep one Gangajal. Everybody keep. Little bit Gangajal put, then other jal can mix. There is also Gangajal. I said, I am keeping also. And put it, when finished, then devotees again go, Gangajal put. Then tilak. Gangajal, Tulasi, Giriraj, Govardhan. In this Kali Yuga, three are very important. So he took water, Gangajal in his hand, and then saying, some special mantra. Oh, I am giving my this one Ekadashi's fruit to you, and throw to him. Then the Brahma Rakshas, this event manifested very nice, beautiful Deva Sarira. Deva Sarira, themselves, demigod. And Listen. And Ekadashi's fruit is very important. And Ekadashi fal. But you have to proper way. One Ekadashi fruit is very powerful. So everybody observe Ekadashi Tithi. Understand? Ekadashi Tithi Bhakti Janani. Bhakti Matahe. Suddha Bhakata sing. Suddha Bhakata Charnaren. Bhajanan. Bhakata Ekadashi Tithi Bhakti Janani Jatane Palana Kari. Then Krishna Vasati Boli Parama Adhara. So this is very important. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself, when he was a small boy, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asked his mother, Shachi Devi, Ma, and I want things from you. Well, what do you want? Well, you give me one benediction to me. Well, what benediction? And from today, you should observe Ekadashi Tithi. Then Sachimata told, okay, I'll do. So many people also misconception is saying, oh, that means Sachimata, before she did not follow Ekadashi. No, she did actually. This is her, what is it called? Daina. Daina means humility. And as Bhaktivinoda Thakur saying, Amara jivana sada pape rata nahi ka punnera lesha parere udive diyachi je kata diyachi jivera klesha. Bhaktivinoda saying that. What is the meaning?
My whole life is wasted. I have committed so many sins. I have no smell of
No smell of Punna karma. My life completely dedicated with sinful activity. As Bhaktivinoda Thakur Kamal Manjari, how possible he committed sinful activity? So many people think, oh, Bhaktivinoda Thakur committed sinful activity. Offend, aparad. So Madar Shachi Devi, Chaitanya, I think so, mentioned this verse also. And Mahaprabhu told, Yama, today you give me one blessing, the benediction to me. What do you want? And from today, you should not eat 5 types of grains and observe Ekadashi. Then Sachimata said, okay, from today, I will also observe Ekadashi. So that means many people also giving this interpretation. Oh, that means Sachi Devi, she did not follow Ekadashi. When Mahaprabhu told that, you cannot say this. This is her humility. Sometimes by Vaishnavas, humility, they know. Modern people cannot understand. You understand? This is that. So many people also, when I'm singing, many people also saying this, oh, that means Sachimata before did not perform Ekadashi. No, did it? Ekadashi Tithi is very important. And who is Bhagavan? He is beyond of rules and regulation. Particularly Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu one day told, I want to eat some grains. But where is the grains? Well, now, what is his name? Jagadish. They are very powerful. Oh, today he also offered to Thakurji that Naividya, Prasad you bring to it. I will eat. In this Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu saying, Bhagavan, who is Supreme Personality of Godhead, Bhagavan, he is not bound of the rules and regulations. You understand this? Because Bhagavat Leela, transcendental. Another hand, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, in the day of Ekadashi, we should not eat, even the Jagannath Prasad will come. So two what is called? And controversy things coming also. Because some Loka Siksha. Who is Bhagavan? He can do. Or some Bhagavan, he also follows the rules of showing to others. जद जदाचरित श्रेष्ठ तत्त एवेतर जना सजत प्रमाणं कुरुते लोकस्तत् अनुवर्तते. You understand? Sometimes we will say, why you worship Srimati Radhika? Well, Krishna worships Srimati Radhika, so you worship Radhika. You understand? Krishna, he worships the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. So we also worship the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. And Krishna showing to us how to worship the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. Bolo Radha Rani ki jai. Because Krishna is great person. So Krishna is showing to us how to worship lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. Bolo Vrindavan Bihari Lal. Now we're going. Where will go? Or if you're not Nirjala, you can take some fruits. It's very nice. He is generous. Yeah, as like Bengal tradition come. If you go Bengal Prasad, then you see.
Your stomach will expand. Bengal Prasad, you need extra stomach. Bengal Prasad, you need extra stomach.
Or if you go Delhi, then you will go, you have to bring one plastic bag with you. Understand?
Taking bananas
Huh?
to eat all.
They are taking or the put all the bag, plastic bag. They give. One day I will, hey, why did you bring plastic? Well, Maharaj, I know if you come your front, you will give many fruits. I will take and take. You have seen Delhi or not?
Yes.
Those are coming in my room.
Yes.
Don't go empty.
Not empty-handed, a pocket,
Good or not? Oh, he is Brajavasi. Nice. Okay, take this first you. Your house, we are coming. Who wants banana? Come first. Or who wants apple?
Mango. Mango. Tempero também.
Banana. You want apple?
I went to mango.
Oi, Haribo. Desliga o fogo aqui. Deve passar outra coisa, deve passar aqui for tomorrow.
What do you want?
Pode ser? Pergunta se pode ser hoje.
You take one, not one. What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? Banana. What do you want?
I want everything with this.
Nice smile.
Manga,
What do you shop? What do you want? Okay, not this kind. What do you want?
Você quer qual?
Qual que você quer? Banana?
Pera. We call this pera, good.
Huh? Pera.
Just like the sweet.
Or you? Huh?
Pera.
What do you want?
Banana.
Banana. What do you want? Banana. What do you want?
Todo mundo quer, vai acabar a banana.
Or what do you want?
Pera.
What do you want?
Só tem mais uma pera no mercado. Hein?
What do you want?
Mango.
Mango.
Hare Krishna.
You?
Mango also.
You? Green apple. You? Apple. You?
Fala pra ele que é pra presentear.
Huh? Your son? You?
Big mango.
Huh? Or would you not take?
Quem ainda não pegou, por favor?
What do you want? Huh?
Tá com gesso, ele tá com gesso.
Anyway.
Deixa eu pegar uma frutinha.
You?
Pega a Polaroid.
Me, what you?
Não, não, you
Quer
give me what you
dela.
Pega a Polaroid ali.
Or you?
Yeah. Yes, okay.
Mazila, this
Gift
is a
for...
gift for Divots, okay? Please, distribute the gift.
Okay, we will take one.
Todo mundo pega uma
Pega uma revistinha,
revista.
todo mundo aqui.
Presente.
Pegou na mão. Você pegou aí?
Mas eu sei tomar uma sorvete.
Deixa eu devo te dar aqui. Take a green apple for her. Take it. Pebu, coloca lá em cima da mesa pra nós, lá. Oi? Em cima da mesa lá.
I have many.
Keep one more. Pega a Polaroid. Não achou? Vai lá no quarto da mamãe.
Oh, I gave it to my mom. I gave it to my mom already.
Or who did not?
Quem não pegou a revista ainda, distribui de mid program, né? Para family, para manada mamahina.
Tu também vai bater.
By your best education as possible. Thank you. Da nossa
Ramananda Das.
mamahina atividade.
Jessuri.
Tem que tirar uma fotinha com você com ele. Tem filme? Suficiente? Quantos? Ah, tem 8. Polaroid dela. Alguém não pegou fruta? Não, acho que foi todo mundo.
E essas aqui?
Esse aqui é
São
nosso.
nossas? Leva lá pro quarto.
Podia... Ah, não, deixa aqui por enquanto.
And also like we are singing.